welcome back. What if I told you there's a smarter and cleaner way to manage pick lists across multiple objects? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a global pick list in Salesforce. Let's navigate to our setup and then type pick list in under the quick find search bar. You are going to see the pick list value set, and this is the one I have already created. So we are going to click on the new button and then give it a name and a label. I'm going to be calling it agreement here because I want the agreement here to be consistent across multiple objects. So in the value, I'm going to write down the values that I feel should the agreement here should last for. So I'm going to start with 20 to 10 to 15 and then to 5. Whatever value you want to be in your global pick list field is fine, and you can always come back and adjust them. So we are going to save onto this field, and then that is how to create your global pick list value, which can be used across multiple objects. When this field has been in use, if you scroll down, you're going to see the usage under this section that says fields were used. Now let's open up a different tab, go to our object manager and edit the object which we want to use this global pick list field for. On the fields and relationship of our enablement code renewal object, I'm going to be clicking new, and then I'll select a pick list field data type because a global pick list works for only the pick list data type. Now I'm going to call the label of this field same agreement here to ensure data consistency, and I'm not going to enter values just like we did for the other pick list field, but I'm going to be seeing the agreement here under the global pick list value set. As I've selected this, there is no need for entering value, so I'll click on next and then allow it for the profiles that I want to see it, and next and save. So this is showing you that it's sitting on the enablement code renewal layout, and we are going to save onto this field. When we go back to the other tab where we have created the global pick list, we are going to find out that the field is going to be referenced under where this field has been used section. So I'm just refreshing so that it will be reflecting on that section. Now it's reflecting, which means we have done the right thing. So let's head over to our sales app by going to the app launcher, which is the 9 dots at the top left of our screen, and go to the sales and find the enablement code renewal object for a confirmation if this field have been updated on the record page layout. So when I click on a particular record or any record, I'm going to see the agreement type, and you will have the exact value that this global pick list have. And that is how to create your pick list, global pick list. Thank you.